Hi, it's Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. We have our ICrease Pro Plus here, and we're going to show you how to change or how to flip over the crease bar from the narrow to the wide or the wide to the narrow, either way. Now, disclaimer on this video, Samantha's here with me. We are not technicians. So this is going to be a little bit of fumbling because I'm not very practiced at it. But again, that kind of shows you how easy it is because an amateur can do it. So we've already loosened the screws. There's 4 screws across the top of here. We've already loosened those so that we can take our cover off. And of course, the machine is turned off and unplugged, which is always the best thing, even lockout, tag out kind of thing. So there are 2 screws down underneath this roller, which may be very difficult to see. But these screws, you just use an Allen wrench and we can turn them. It's just to loosen it just a little bit. There's a bar under here that's going to move just a little bit, just to give us a little bit of tiny room so that we can pop this crease bar out. Now on the front, I'm going to reach up underneath. There's 2 blocks here. These 2 blocks are going to be what's holding the crease bar in. So you've just got some screws here that we're going to loosen just a little bit here. And then these blocks will move off to the side. And you just have to push them far enough down that you can get to your crease bar. Now this is where the fumbling comes in because I'm not practiced at it. You have to kick the crease bar out of here. Oh, look how easy that was. So if you use your Allen wrench or something like that, you can just kind of push it in between the rollers and push that bar out. And then kind of finesse it from the bottom usually. And just pick it up, flip it over. I'm guessing if you've done this a couple of times, it's probably easier. Like I said, this is not my practice. I'm not very practiced at this. So we're going to flip it over there, and you just slide it back in. And it's just going to slide right into place. You really can't put it in the wrong place. Then you flip your blocks back up here. And then you tighten your bar back up in the back. And we didn't loosen it very much. It doesn't take but maybe a half a turn or a turn. And then you just reinstall your cover. You put your cover back on with your 4 screws. And that is flipping your crease bar over.